Hi guys, my name is Satara and I'm in middle college and I am going to be performing a yoga sequence. For each of the poses we are going to be holding three breaths, like nicely through the nose and then out the mouth. So let's get started. We are going to start in mountain pose where you just stand a little bit like with your fist distance apart, and then you breathe in and out. Let's just get grounded first. And we're going to raise our arms up. We're going to hold it here for 3 breaths. From here we are going to go into half moon to the right. Hold this for 3 breaths. Then we're going to come back up, go to the other side. Hold this for 3 breaths. Coming back up. I'm going to move to the side. You don't have to, but I'm just, if my dog would move, I'm going to lower my arms, and with that I'm going to go into a half bend. And we're also going to hold this here for 3 breaths. Just go as far as you can, and if you can't touch the floor, that's fine. Don't need to worry about it. Just breathe. Okay, and from here we're going to actually touch the floor. And then we are going to go step back into a yoga plank. We have to hold this one here for 3 breaths as well. And then we're going to do a yoga push-up or a knees, chest, chin, whichever one is comfortable. So you just go down and just relax. So keep your hands by your chest area. And then from here, we're either going to just go halfway, keep your head straight down so you're not straining the neck. And or if you are feeling extra flexible and have done yoga before, go into the major, this one. Rough. And then we're going to go back into child's pose. This one's my favorite. You just breathe here for 3 breaths and just really relaxes you. You're going to roll up. We're going to go onto our bottom. And from here, you're going to take one leg out and one leg in towards the crotch area for the inner thigh. This is called a one-leg stretch. And you're going to take, if you can reach your toes, you don't have to. You can either place it on your knee, don't place it on your knee, place it on your shin. But for me, I'm going to touch my toes, and you take the other arm and you bring it up. Hold this here for 3 breaths. You can either put your head down, straight out, or up. Whichever one is most comfortable for you. For me, it's straight. One more breath. Raise up. Arm down. Bring this one in. Stretch the other one onto the side. Bring your right leg in towards the crotch area. Left hand extended out to your left leg, your foot, and reach your arm up. hold for 3 breaths. Okay, after we do that, just kind of round yourself, and I really like to stretch my arms out. This is not necessarily a yoga pose, but it's great just for the upper body. So bring your right arm across, hold this here for 3 breaths. And bring it back behind you. And bring that down and switch sides. And bring this over. Again, holding for 3 breaths. Bring it down. And then we're actually going to go back on our backs here for a moment. This is great for your lower back and for the stomach if you're having stomach problems. All you have to do, lay here, make sure that your back is flat on the floor. Stretch out. And breathe. And bring your left leg into your chest and then across your body. You can go as far as you can. My leg cannot touch the floor. Some people's backs are actually more flexible than others. So, hold here for 3 breaths. Gently coming back onto your side. Squeeze that leg into your chest and let it go. Onto your right leg, bring in your right knee to your chest. Tug a little bit, not straining, just as far as you can or whatever comfortable. Then bringing your right leg over your side. You may hear your back crack, that's fine. It's releasing the lower back. And breathe. And now bring both of the legs into your chest. Hold this for 3 breaths. And then going into one of my favorite moves is Shavasana, where you are just lying completely flat on your back and you kind of just go almost into a sleep stage, yet not. So if you want to take a moment and just go into that, you can go ahead. Me, I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching.